Before operating the Raritan toilet, please be sure it has power. To do this, you'll energize the head breaker on the cabin switch panel. In the head compartment, just beneath the duplex panel that has the switch for the blower and the light, you'll find the Raritan toilet flush control. There are 4 basic modes for this toilet to operate. The first is the water saver mode. Press the area that's designated water saver to use that option. Next, you can use the water only mode. You'll press that area to use that. Then you can use the normal flush, which is the basic operation, the most popular one that everyone will use. Then you can also use the empty only position on this switch panel. The empty only is a good idea to press when you're in a rough sea so that water doesn't splash around if the boat is bouncing. There's also a telltale light on the bottom of the toilet flush control that will tell you when the holding tank is full. When it's illuminated, you'll need to pump the tank out. The rest of the waste system equipment is located in the bilge just next to the port side of the console. On the aft bulkhead, we have a Y valve. This is a valve that operates in 2 positions. It will either discharge waste through the through hull that goes through the bottom of the boat, or it will divert it into the holding tank, which is on the port side of the bilge compartment here. To be legal in U.S. waters, you have to have it diverting the waste into the holding tank. Our factory setting is to seal it in that position so that it's legal in the U.S. waters. We've also installed a discharge pump. You'll see a yellow plaque that gives you the rules for what you can do with your waste in U.S. waters. But there's a momentary switch with a pop-out breaker located right next to it on a small switch panel just inside the hatch combing. This operates the pump out for the waste tank. If you're in international waters, you can use this pump to pump the waste tank over the side. To do that, you'll make sure that the valve that is going through the bottom of the boat is in the open position. That's with the handle totally vertical. You'll press the button and that will pump the contents of the holding tank through that valve. Once again, this is only for use in international waters.